That took a minute for it to be just so
Yeah,
disappointing.
it was ass. I know the base was ass.
She was actually balls.
Is Skittle still here, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, let's keep going. Tier 1 raid, nobody gives a shit. What is this one?
Look, there's a tier 2 right here.
Alright, yeah, if these tier 2s are as good as what's his name claims, then let's go for it.
Look, and there's another little one over here. Another
Wait, are
tier.
these both tier 2s? Alright, hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, I got the schematic down sign, so one should not
Go.
take nearly as long.
Go. I'll help you
Wait,
build the
fuck, I need
platform.
it. Alright. I don't know if my cannon's gonna shoot on this one or if it's gonna be too close.
Oh shit, are we both building it? What the
Yeah,
fuck?
here, wait. Let's build back a little further, because cannon has good capabilities. I just don't want it to be too fucking... Oh, shit,
How do you want to go?
no, right here. I'm right back here. Alright, hold on. Help me build this. Actually, I got it. Never mind.